Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by removing items and protecting the area. This prevents damage and gives space to work. Once done, identify how the shelf is held: pins, clips, fixed brackets, or cleats, because removal method depends on that. Start with the simplest. Gently lift adjustable shelves a few inches to free from pins. If visible screws or clips hold a shelf, make sure to use the correct screwdriver and support the shelf with one hand while you loosen fasteners to stop sudden drops. You now tackle the complex middle steps where things can bind. First, keep steady support under the shelf. When you back out screws or unclip one side, the other side can drop. Use a drill on low torque to avoid stripping. Remove screws from the cabinet frame before detaching from the shelf when brackets are used. If the shelf is nailed or glued, score the joint to break the bond, then pry slowly with a thin shim to prevent gouging the cabinet surface. You complete the job by removing leftover hardware and cleaning the cavity. This prepares the cabinet for repair or a replacement shelf. Once removed, sand any rough spots and fill visible screw holes so the finish looks uniform, and measure for a replacement shelf if required. If a shelf is stuck, apply controlled heat to soften adhesives and tap the edges gently with a rubber mallet. Make sure to protect surrounding surfaces. If screws are stripped, use an extract.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.